Fresno's apartment market suffered a sharp blow in fourth quarter of 2012 as housing demand is shifting back to single-family homes. Welcome to Apartment Market Dynamics from NPF Research. I'm Jay Parsons with your Fresno update. The Fresno apartment market posted its weakest performance in more than 4 years. Revenues plunged 2.9% quarter over quarter, and that was Fresno's weakest number since Q2 of 2008. It was also the 8th worst performance nationally, and that performance wiped out solid gains from third quarter when revenues were up 2.4%. So the losses were pretty evenly split between occupancy and rents. Let's start with occupancy, down to 140 basis points in the quarter to 94.7%. Backtracking was seen in every submarket and almost every product age group as well, all posting losses of around 100 to 200 basis points. Year over year, occupancy dropped 60 basis points, and that was only the second time in 12 quarters that occupancy fell on an annual basis. And rents, meanwhile, dropped 1.5% quarter over quarter. That essentially erased a 1.6% hike seen in Q3. Most submarkets posted cuts of 1.5 to 2%. The holdout was Sunnyside, Southeast Fresno, where rents inched up 0.3%. Now let's shift from quarterly change to annual rent change. And as you can see, same-store rental rates inched up just 0.1% in 2012, the worst result Fresno has seen in 6 quarters, and it was the 5th worst annual rent change seen in the nation's core 100 metros. So it's probably not much of a surprise to see Fresno's apartment market struggling. We are starting to see some pretty decent job growth in Fresno, but unemployment is still around 14%, so still a lot of ground to make up. And what little housing demand there has been appears to be shifting now to single-family homes. A rebound in home sales drove up prices by 15% in 2012. Of course, prices still remain far below their pre-recession peaks. So that means they're very affordable now for much of the renter populace, and so the apartment sector is losing some of its best renters to single-family home purchase. And at the same time, a big chunk of that home sale of the number of homes being sold are going to investors who are buying up properties and then renting them out. So apartments are not only competing with single-family purchases, but also competing with folks who are leaving to go rent out single-family homes, and all of that competition is limiting demand for apartments, and of course also limiting rent growth potential. And there's little evidence that those themes are going to change much in 2013, so we are expecting relatively flat movement in both occupancy and rents over the next year. And that wraps us up for Fresno, so until next time for Apartment Market Dynamics and NPF Research, I'm Jay Parsons. Thank you for watching.
Want more? Go deeper with NPF Research's apartment market reports. From a national level, down to individual metros, to specific neighborhoods, NPF Research has been providing unparalleled apartment market intelligence to the multifamily industry for almost 5 decades. Learn more by contacting us at 877-284-4938 or visit www.npfresearch.com and click on Market Reports.